So this is Terminal 3, Vienna, airport arrivals, and this is where the Trafalgar pickup point is for the complimentary shuttles to the hotel. If you are lucky enough to be doing a Trafalgar Christmas markets tour of Austria, Germany and Switzerland. Now, as you can see, when you come out here, you can turn either way. So you can either go this direction or you can go this direction. Now, what you want to do, regardless of which direction you choose to take, my recommendation, you come out and then you turn immediately to your right. You see where all these people are heading for two reasons. One, many of them are probably going to the train station, which is to the right, but also this is where the airport services desk is located, and this is where your travel director is going to meet you for the complimentary transfers to the hotel at 10 o'clock in the morning and 1:30 in the afternoon. So when you do come out of the arrivals, you will see directly across from you, you'll see the Wolfgang Puck kitchen and bar, and then let's take a little walk without tripping over anyone's suitcase, and you will then make your way down in this direction. As I mentioned, you'll see there is a Costa Coffee is here if you're after a coffee. There's also some bathrooms here as well. Just a little further along, there's a Burger King, and as you can see, so there's Costa Coffee, Burger King in the distance, and as you can see, there are places here where you can sit, and this is the area you will meet your travel director. As I mentioned, 10 a.m. and 1:30 are the transfers. Travel director will be here maybe 10 or 15 minutes before those times. From here to the hotel, it's approximately 30 minutes with the Trafalgar coach. So if you do need any facilities, there is also a supermarket here which is called Villa Corso, and if you're wanting any, snack or any other items of personal nature, you can pick them up there. So just remember, airport services desk, this area right here, there's some seating directly to the right is actually my group who I'm picking up this morning. They're all standing here, about 18 of them. So we're going to get ready to go right now. Enjoy your Christmas markets with Trafalgar and have a wonderful time.